Hi, this is Mark from L&M Small Engine. Today we're going to be working on a Powermate 6,500 watt generator. And a lot of times when people buy generators, they buy them either because a storm's coming, or the power's out, or they use them for camping, or whatever. Then, that has a full tank of gas in it, and you forget about it. 2-3 years down the road, a storm hits, or you want to go camping, and it don't want to start. Then you check the oil, and it just pours out there. What happens, after a while, that gas gets old, especially ethanol, and it gets the carburetor all gummed up, and it goes right through the carburetor in the cylinder and right down into the crankcase. So what we're going to do today is drain the oil, get all the gas out of the oil, and more likely boil out the carburetor and put a carburetor kit in it and get it running. So hope you enjoy the video. Okay, this guy done taking the oil / gas out of the crankcase. We're going to go ahead and take this apart. We're going to take the carburetor off. We're going to boil out the carburetor, and we're going to put fresh oil in it. And this is what I do. You don't have to do this, but when something had that much gas in the oil, you don't know how long they tried starting it or whatever. So what I do is I start up, I let it run like about 30 seconds. Then I'll shut it off and I'll drain the oil again and put fresh oil in there. Because you don't want to spin a bearing. Especially these Chinese motors, or they weren't built the best to begin with. But that's what I do. You don't have to do it, but that's what I do. So let's go ahead and take this air box plate off and get to that carburetor. That takes a 10 millimeter, it looks like. Got an 8 millimeter one on the back. Okay, we got that off, so I'll take the automatic choke off to get to the carburetor. Yeah, we'll go ahead and unhook the linkage and the spring, the governor rod. Okay, we're going to go ahead and boil that out. Okay, we got the carburetor and the ultrasonic boiler, so let's go ahead and put a new spark plug in there. I'm draining all the gas out. We're gonna put all fresh gas in here. I'm gonna put premium in it. Gas stinks real bad. I kind of tore this gasket a little bit. Turn it off, so I'm gonna go find a new gasket for that. I'm gonna put a new needle seat, new O-ring kit in this carburetor, so I'll go round that stuff up while we're boiling out the carburetor, and we'll get this put back together and see if we can't start it. Okay, we just got the carburetor out of the boiler. So we got our new needle and seat. Take that one out of there. Grab our new one, put the spring on it. And there's a big part, that's where the head goes through, then you slide it back. Just like that. Put our pin in there. Just like that. On our bowl. I marked it so you put it on the exact same way. I marked it here and here. So them scratch marks line up. I put a new O-ring on that. And that takes a 14. All right. Now our safety shut off. Okay, that's nice and tight. Okay, let's go ahead and put it on. This gasket here is in bad shape, so I got some new ones we're gonna put on. Just like so. I got the new one that goes by the air filter. So slide this on. Don't put all the way on. Get that governor shaft in there and the spring. I'm gonna go and put it on there all the way. Put our fuel line on. And our new air cleaner gasket on there. Now we gotta put our wires back on and hook them up. Then we'll hook our wires up over here. Okay. Our automatic choke assembly. This little wire goes like that. Just like that. Air cleaner base on. Now that bolt in the back. There we go. Now before I put the air filter and everything on, we're gonna put some gas in this and see if it starts. Okay, just doing the final touches on it. Got the gas turned on. We'll see what it does. Well, there you go. I hope this video helped you out and hope you enjoyed it. Anyways, you have a good afternoon. Thanks for watching. Bye. Hi, I'm Mark from L&M Small Engine. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. I have a whole collection of similar videos on my YouTube channel. Thank you.